I just got this 15 slot knife block by Enoking.
Here we go again. Try my luck at this hand.
I've partnered with them before. I love their products so much. So I'm gonna set this up. This is so beautiful. It is made of acacia wood. It holds up to 14 knives, and it comes with a variety of different angles for different shapes and sizes of knives, and different types of knives too. Here are slots for steak knives, some bigger knives. This is for like one of those pokers. This could work for scissors, and then some other types of knives like serrated knives for bread and whatnot. This item is so gorgeous, and it's a beautiful and safe way to store my knives and have them on display.